you going? To the beach. Run! 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 Run to the beach. Let's go na. Go. Don't touch the money! That's mine. We're only here for a very quick getaway lang. Siguro mga 1 or 2 hours. We'll stay here. Right, Belle?
Hanggang mamaya kalahati.
Ha?
Mamayang 12.
Kasi mainit na mamaya.
Pwede naman siguro magpa-deliver.
Doon tayo dati nag-check-in sa
Pa-deliver na lang tayo ng
St. Regis. Belle, what are you doing? Playing with the sand?
Sand?
Oh, yung cellphone mo. Touch.
O, lagay mo sa bag kung dito ka dito mag-save.
Dami pa din palang naliligo dito, no? Madami yung naliligo. Malamig yung tubig. Hi! How are you? May mga fish kaya? Nakita ko kanina. May mga isda. Kanina dito. Shark! Where's the shark? Where's the shark? So dito sa Katara Beach, one adult entry fee is only 10 reals and for children it's free. If you want to rent chairs and umbrella, one chair is worth 5 reals and one umbrella is 5 reals as well. So all in all, we paid only 10, 20, 35 reals because we are 2 adults, we have 1 kid which is free, and then 2 chairs for 5 reals each and 1 umbrella for 5 reals. So all in all, we only paid 35 reals. You can also bring your own food. Yeah. Hot.
Hello.
Where's your slipper? Slipper.
Hello.
Slipper, where?
Dab.
Place on.
Come here. Sus, chips.
Bella, chips.
Yummy chips. Yummy chips. Yummy chips. Yummy chips. Belle, come here.
Nakuha na, umikot ako. Bella, where you go? You'll go home now? Bella!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Lahat yung sun. Applying sunblock? Oh, apply more. Wait, I will open. Apply more. Come. Yung lotion mo, oh, yung sunblock mo. Hurt? Don't go too far. Belle. Isabel. No. Don't go too far. Come here. Belle, no. 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 Belle. Belle! Don't go too far! Don't follow him. Okay, come here. Okay, tapos, ay nako. Belle! Shh.
Yung ano, yung bubo?
Ang umbrella 5 reals. Pero yung ganyan, 30. Yan, 30.
Pag sinangyas yan, ganyan. Ang ganyan tayo.
We're leaving now. Ano lang kami dito? Siguro mga 2 to 3 hours. Yan. Sa bahay na kami magbabalaw. Let's go! Dali mo na yan. Hurt! Hurt! Yan. Awi! Babanlaw lang kami ng ano, pa. Wait. Uy! Basa yung phone. Basa yung phone.
Grabe naman yan. Sirit pa tayo.
Yan. Tapos dito na kami lalabas. Doon lang naman kami nakapark. May nagsasampay din dito. exit. Ayan oh, para hindi ka nababalik sa ano.
Sarado man.
Pwede dyan lumabas. Labas ka na. O dito oh, dyan oh. Dito oh. Sarado dyan. O doon sa kabila. Kasi ayan oh, doon kami nakapark. That one. Okay, bye-bye. We only spent 2 to 3 hours, I think. Kasi maaga kami dito, 9 AM. Tapos 10 AM pa pala yung opening. Ang ganda ng puno. Bye-bye, beach. See you again. It's only 15 minutes away from home. So we can come every weekend here.
House.
Huh? Yeah. It's just 15 minutes away from home.
House.
Mm.
Are they homes? Asha.